Right guys, we had 9 days of Catholic procession. It's called Aurora, I think, the procession. And basically the kids are walking around everywhere singing for 9 days, carrying an effigy of Our Lady, I guess. Now, this should have happened after the 9 days, but because they couldn't get a sound system, it's happening now. What you doing, little monkey? So it's happening now. So the street's been blocked off. Here's my baby. The street's been blocked off at both ends, so there's going to be dancing on the stage. I'm not getting too close because you won't be able to hear me. So let's see what happens, guys. Now, of course, guys, you've got to have the obligatory drink and pollutant, which is pork leg. What is it? Pork leg? Huh? Pork feet. I've just had a taste and it's just all fat. It's all fat. It's disgusting. But look, there's plenty of Red Horse on tap. So I don't need to buy anything, I just need to stand here and I'll be drinking all night if I want to. But I don't want to. Now, guys, sometimes in the Philippines, right, if you're asked to one shot, you really need to do one shot because you can offend very easily. They think that, you know, you're too good for them. You don't want to sit with them, that's what it is. You don't have to sit with them, just have a drink. Why are you repeating when I say... That's Sander. That's my beautiful baby. So everything's getting started. There's people keep coming out on motorbikes and they can't get out because the road's blocked. So they're going up on the footpath, look, and going round. So I've been told there's going to be some pretty girls dancing in a bit. It's not going to be like last time. I can't say it in case I get into trouble, like I'm criticising, and I'm not. But last year there was... no, I can't say it. Put it this way. There'll be pretty girls this time dancing, so it should be quite nice, guys. Look, guys, that's my favourite little doggy. It's not my dog, but he loves me and he's always near me because he knows I give him food. Oi! Oh, that's better. So look at this. People keep asking me, right? They keep saying, Chris, what is it you like about the Philippines? Why don't you take your family back to the UK? Are you serious? Do you think any of this happens in the UK? Not a chance. Chop went and got me some meat, look. You see this? Pure meat, pure pork. Look at all the kids, they get so excited. Look, here's my doggy. He's a little sweetie. I love dogs. Not keen on cats, but I love dogs. So the party's not even getting started yet, guys. Mostly family, not them two, but there's George. Hello, George. Oh God, I love it. Do you know what? Now the pandemic's over, everything's going reasonably back to normal. I'm not saying things are gonna not get bad again, but at the moment things have look at Sander. Look at that. He's as skinny as anything. He's lost a load of weight. They've had him to the doctors, they don't know why he's losing weight. ready. Look, I can't move for this dog. As soon as he sees me, he follows me here, and he'll not leave because he knows I'll feed him. When I've got some food, I'll feed him. And then when they're finished with the pig's feet, give it to the dog. He's a lovely dog, so tame, kind. So it started with the red horse, guys. Now it's the Imperiador. It's the hard stuff. I can't drink that. Quite a few of the red horse, which I shouldn't really drink. Guys, I'm telling you, this red horse is deadly. If you drink too much of it, you're going to kill yourself. I don't know what's in it, but if I drink too much red horse, next morning my feet are swollen like balloons. So just moderation, guys. Always moderation. But look, where does this happen where you live? Where does it happen? Look at it. Streets closed off. There's tables. Some are reserved for judges and barangay. And there's going to be drinking. It's going to go, well, I don't think it's going to go to the early hours, but it will go on late because it's late now. Why do you want to stay in the Philippines, Chris? I don't know. Guess. Because the people are brilliant. The local authorities aren't petty. You know, I mean, for example, there's some young guys that run like what we would look at as a bingo sort of thing, a raffle, not a bingo, a raffle. And they brought round 2 big pieces of pure lean pig, you know, and it's 20 pesos a ticket. Now, can you see that happening where you are? The authorities would be down on you like a ton of bricks. They would, honest. So we're at 7:30. It looks later, but it's only 7:30. Now this is going to go on till, I guess, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Now all this will shut down over there, and then there'll be people on the tables, and eventually they'll start going home. But I love it. I absolutely love it. It would be a death sentence to me to go back to the UK. The UK has nothing for me. Never has, never will. And it's getting worse. You know, they're pushing all this crap on you. But not here. The Philippines is great. Absolutely wonderful. I love it. Not so much the red horse. Definitely not Imperiador. I'm a Sanmig guy normally, but that's mine. I'm having a drink. So my mouth, if my mouth stops working in a bit, guys, you know why. Sorry. I'll apologize in advance. Guys, listen, let me take this opportunity. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. If you're in a position to support our channel, please support our channel, because we've lost so much support. I can't describe how much support we've lost. If you've supported in the past and you stopped supporting, please give me some feedback. Let me know why you've stopped supporting the channel. And again, if you're watching these videos, guys, even if you think, oh no, I'm not gonna watch that, just let it run. Let the video run. Go and get a cup of coffee, because if you don't watch the video from start to finish, we get nothing. Now, It's the belief that us bloggers are earning loads of money. We're not. Go on Social Blade. If you go on Social Blade, it'll tell you what AdSense we're making. If we get 1,000 views, it's literally $3.26 on 1,000 views. Now you look at our views, guys, they've gone into the bucket. Now for all the trolls out there, yeah, I'm begging you to support us. Please support us, guys. We need your support. It costs money to do these videos. It costs money to replace equipment. Now please help us if you're in a position. If not, then just watch the videos from start to finish. Give a like, dislike, it doesn't matter, and leave a comment. Always leave a comment, even if it's just comment. Seriously, I mean it. Right, we're on the stage and it says youth organization. This apparently interpreted into English is voice of the youth, right? I don't know if that's accurate, because I don't think the young lady was 100% sure. I'm not sure, but voice of the youth. So let's see what happens. I don't know if they're singing, if they're dancing, but they've got trophies, so it should be good. Look at this, guys. They've put so much effort into this stage. So thank everybody that put all this effort into making this real. The kids are loving it. Oh look, just happens that both my kids are there. Oi! Off! They're bursting the balloons. Excellent, absolutely excellent. Thank you to everybody involved. Look at it now, guys. It's just about to start. I think it's mainly dancing, I'm not sure. Might be singing. I can't get anything out of anybody, honestly. Nobody knows anything. I don't know why. Look at all this. Hey? Where are you now? Is this happening where you are? Go back to the UK? I don't think so. Not in a million years. We're doing some thank yous to barangay officials.
Now, at this juncture, let's get to know our respected board of judges.
He's speaking in English, guys. You've got to love it.
Itong beat lang na music na may masasapawan ng sound ng microphone. DJ, pwede ba?
Not now, obviously.
So anyone...
Look at this, guys. Isn't this brilliant? Where are you now? You don't want to come to the Philippines, where your pension stretches
so ladies and gentlemen, as
twice
the master of the
as far
of this event,
as what it would do in the UK, America, whatever. Maybe more, maybe more, maybe 2.5 times, 3 times.
So we have here with us a set of a well-known and eminent panel of judges. They are in the name.
Aren't these sweet?
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Robert Cole, Dr. Philippines, Slacker, Ninth House Aries, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlox, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Arthur Gregory, and Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jim Alvair, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Robert Bull, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Brian Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, A Brit's Philippines Destination. Big thanks to all of you.